Welcome to this video tutorial on the topic of DS Core Care. In this video, we will demonstrate on how to order DS Core Care. DS Core Care is the new service and support solution to protect your recently purchased devices and is ordered via our new cloud platform DS Core. Therefore, an account on DS Core is required. In our case, we already signed up. To subscribe for DS Core Care, we click on our profile and on Practice. Next, we tap on Subscriptions. In the bottom, we see that our account is still in validation and DS Core Care cannot be ordered yet. This is always the case when a DS Core account is newly created. The Dentsply Sirona back office first has to validate the registration. This process may take up to 72 hours. Once the validation is complete, we receive a notification. When refreshing, we can see that the validation has taken place and we can order DS Core Care for the displayed devices. Availability for devices may vary depending on your country. Now, we select the devices we want to protect. In the case of a Prime Print solution, select both devices, Prime Print and Post-Processing Unit. After clicking on Protect Devices, we get presented with the service components we receive by purchasing DS Core Care. Also, we receive an overview of the monthly fee and the discount for the first 12 months. In the bottom of each form, the service partner of the device is presented. After clicking on Continue, the final review and confirmation page is displayed. Here, we can review the detailed conditions of our order, for instance that the first invoice is due in month 13. After accepting the Terms and Conditions, we can complete our purchase by clicking on Place Order. After receiving the notification that our order was placed successfully, we go back to our subscription overview. Now we see 3 listed active DS Core Care plans that we have just purchased. Additionally, there are 2 remaining pieces of equipment that we still can protect. Please note that devices can only be protected with DS Core Care within the first 30 days after installation. Afterwards, these devices will disappear and can no longer be registered for DS Core Care. Thank you very much for your attention. We wish you every success by protecting your equipment with DS Core Care.